I think in the future the market will be almost same size with automobile, but it grows gradually. So not only Japan but also global market we are looking now. So there are many challenges we have to face. One of the challenges is safety. So as we are making urban air mobility people lives, so we have to assure the safetyness, and also the length of distance is very important. But we are now using electricity battery, so the length is not so big. Those are the challenges we have now. あとはタイヤをどこまで作り込むかという話があって、そこが今各国で本当に競争になっていて、タクシー実はタクシーが空飛ぶ車で最も最初に利用されるユースの一つなんですよ。空飛ぶ車最初は値段が高いんですね。
12時半のバスが最初になりますので、そのバスまでにお乗りいただけますようお願いします。